Let's just go to create a funnel. And here it is a webinar. Let's pick a webinar funnel here. Now, what it lets you do, and some of the steps you've already seen in landing page funnel, they stay quite similar. Now, you have to select a course before you get to build a funnel. Now, it says you can create a new course. So for some reason, it's not showing you other courses because possibly there are no courses here with live sessions scheduled in them. So let's just create a course, George. You click on create a course again. The funnel builder icon stays there with you. The course is created now, and we can actually add a live section. Great, George. Let's just do that. 2 single sessions. So let's say I'm going to teach hatha yoga, and I'm going to teach it next week. So George just chooses single session. Let's click on continue. Let's just create a session for next week. And this one is going to be on, let's pick up any date. Let's just say the 2nd, 3rd, or 9th, or whatever. Yeah, I think the time is okay. Let's just keep it at this time. By the way, we could change the image there also from here if we wanted to. Let's just save it and go ahead. Now, once we save, the platform asks me if I actually want to do something else with the course as well, or I don't want to. Now, George has just jumped back into the funnel builder. George, I think you'll have to go back to the funnel because you jumped halfway between. So just confirm. And if we go to the, let's just publish this course. Let's just publish this course because otherwise, I mean, let's just go back. Yeah, let's just go into publishing the course. If we go into publish and just add maybe money if we want to charge for this or want to keep it free, and just go and click on publish the course. Once we have published the course, we can jump back into our funnel and start editing the funnel by attaching the webinar there. So in the webinar, now it says attach the course. We've just created the course webinar. So we add that. Now in the webinar, it says select a webinar, like the live session. So George selects the live session and the live session is added. Now we can add a landing page here. I believe some landing page is going to be available to us. So let's just pick one. And let's say yes to I have edited the page. And edit SEO, I have optimized the page for SEO. Now you get here an ability to promote your page right now if you wanted to, because you could try and get people organically into your funnel. You could copy the page link and do this, but let's just go ahead. Let's just go ahead to the next steps. It asks you to integrate your marketing tools. It asks you to launch ads. And here in the upselling via emailers, this is where a lot of magic happens. So it tells you, do you want to send an email? You could even generate a coupon code for selling the course if you wanted. And it asks you two key trigger points. It says, when the webinar has started, you want to send this email, or when the webinar has ended. So maybe you could tell everybody at the end of the webinar, you all are going to get this message coupon from me. What is the timing? You want the timing to be immediately after trigger. So the trigger is when webinar has ended. And I'm saying, yeah, absolutely. I could even say custom time and tell the platform. So let's choose custom time, George, and tell the platform, no, send it 2 hours later, send it 3 hours later. And I could change this into days. I could say that, okay, let's just send it 3 days later, 2 days later. And who am I sending it to? All those who attended the webinar, all those who registered for the webinar. So people who didn't even come, I want to send them. People who didn't attend, I want to send them. So I have the choice to actually select my audience. And I can add multiple emails like this. I can add a follow-up action, like send another email 3 days later, send another email 4 days later, and I can keep adding them. So I can tell them, email setup completed. Now the platform tells me, why don't you actually retarget these people? How does the retargeting happens? And it shows you on the platform here. And it gives you the idea that you could launch your ads also. So all of this, let's not publish this funnel, but the idea here is that you could step by step get guidance on how does a webinar funnel work, build it all right in front of you and fly with it. So this is an innovation that we've been working on hard. Now the platform it doesn't just, through this funnel builder, doesn't just let you do these things, it also teaches you steps that you need to take to run a funnel with webinars. How does that work? So it shows you all of that. Could be immense. You could be converting webinars on autopilot, right? In the first step, if you were running ads, you could even have 50,000 people come in. Our platform will send emails to 50,000 people based on the triggers you choose, based on the actions that you choose. And it'll remind them, guys, you attended this, you didn't see the recording, you didn't come there to attend the complete session. Why don't you come back? Why don't you look at this recording or get this coupon code to buy the next product? You can drive more people and automate all of this.